Hello and welcome to another session for SAT Math. Again, the topic is factors of polynomials. The first one says what are the zeros? So I'm just going to go to my equation and try to solve this. This is non-real roots. Okay, you should know how this is done, although on the SAT, there's no, the complex number part has been discarded, but minus 5 minus, since this is a practice session, it's still coming up. Okay, which of the following is a factor of the polynomial? So I'm now going to solve a power 4 and say that 1, 0, minus 14 and 45. Oh, that's not 45. Okay, so I'm getting 3 root 5 minus root 5. Okay, so I think that should be the correct answer then if I'm asking you for factors. It says consider the graph of this, and this graph is shown below. Which of the following is true about the polynomial function? The graph has 3 real zeros. I think that's simple. Yeah. There are no imaginary numbers happening there. I'll have to solve this quadratic on my calculator first. Okay, so the zeros are 6 plus I and 6 minus I. Okay, and those should be the factors as well. This one is cubic. Yeah. Okay, so factor, if I want to create a factor, that should be the answer, yes. Let's see some more hard questions. Consider the polynomial this, let a, b, c, and d be the zeros of the polynomial. Which of the following statements is true about the relationship between the zeros and the factors of x? So that should be the answer, I think, unless there's a k attached somewhere. Yeah. Okay, determine the sum of coefficients of a polynomial with coefficients that are integers and meet the following criteria. The degree of the polynomial is 4 and its roots are, its zeros are this, this, and that. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to have to create the function. That is a tough job. I don't know why this question is here though. Okay, then I don't know if there's a shorter way of finding out the sum. Now that's the only way to do this. I'm just going to do this for you. Okay, first I expand these two. I get x squared and I get uh, minus x into 2 minus I root 3, and then I get minus x into 2 plus I root 3 when I multiply these two, and then I get plus 2 minus I root 3 into 2 plus I root 3. So I'm going to do this in step by step. Okay, minus 2x minus xi root 3 minus 2x. Okay, that's going to be plus, and that's going to be minus. And then this is going to be 4 minus I root 3 squared. Okay, so this gives me x squared minus 2x. minus 4x plus 4 minus 3i squared. 3i squared, okay. And that gives me x squared minus 4x plus 4. I squared is minus 1, so x squared minus 4x plus 7. Okay, that's one part of the function. Okay, let's look at the other part of the function. I start multiplying, I get x squared minus x minus 2 minus I minus x minus 2 plus I, and then plus minus 2 plus I and minus 2 minus I. So I get x squared plus 2x plus xi plus 2x minus xi, and then I get, if I expand this, plus 4 plus 2i minus 2i plus I squared. X squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 1. So this should be a minus I squared. So plus 4 plus 1. So x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay, then x squared minus 4x plus 7 and x squared plus 4x plus 5. If you multiply all of that, I get x power 4, 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x cubed minus 16x squared minus 20x, and then plus 7x squared plus 28x plus 35. So I get x power 4 minus 4x squared plus 8x plus 35. So let's add the coefficients and see if we get the correct answer. 1 minus 4 plus 8 plus 35. I'm not sure if I've done all of this correctly, but it's a long question. You don't get these questions on the SAT. I'm just going to check the answer before I write it down and see if I have made an error. 1 minus 4 plus 8 plus 35. Yeah, 40 is the right answer then. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Okay, what are the zeros of the polynomial? Let's quickly go on and do that. One and 1 plus I root 3 and 1 minus. I think that should be the correct answer. Question 4. Which of the following are the remaining roots of the equation if 3 plus I is a root? Remember that whenever 3 plus I is a root, then 3 minus I should also be a root. Okay. And I can just solve this on my calculator. 1 minus 8 plus 24 minus 32 plus 20. 3 plus I, 3 minus I. Okay. Then 1 plus I and 1 minus I. So this should be the correct answer then. If the function has 0, 0, 2 plus 3i, then determine the polynomial. So I'm going to have to solve all of these on my calculator then. Go to cubic, 1 minus 4 and minus 13. No, that's not giving me a non-real. So I'm going to go okay. I wanted plus 2, so that's also not correct. 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i and 0. So okay, C is the correct answer then. I think that should bring us to the end of the session. And thank you for watching. I'll be back with another topic in the next video.
Welcome to Edge Learning. where we are changing dreams into success stories. Let's go! At Edge Learning, we offer courses to help you excel. Whether you're preparing for the SAT, aiming for IBA and LUMS, need O and Alevel tuition, or IELTS coaching, we have the right program for you. Forget about boundaries. We offer learning anywhere, anytime. Our expert tutors provide personalized attention in various batch sizes and one-on-one sessions, along with pre-exam review workshops to ensure you perform your best on test day. Join us at Edge Learning and take the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? Register now or call us.